Good morning. I'm making my wife's keto coffee.
I'm here to wish you a happy new year. A lot of people have been asking us, after effortlessly losing 70 pounds on keto, how do you do it? What are the steps? How do you get over the cravings? And we've made a lot of videos on that, but people keep asking, if you lose 70 plus pounds, people start to notice. So we actually found a quick start guide, a free quick start guide. It's actually called Keto Kickstart. And I know a lot of people don't like to read, but if you are wanting to lose weight this year, do it easily and effortlessly, being able to let the pounds just shed off, keto is a great option. And the great thing about this Keto Kickstart guide is it tells you about a lot of the hard, difficult truths that a lot of people have tons of questions about, like how to do keto when you're traveling, how to do keto when you go out to eat, how to do keto meal planning, how to do keto cravings, all that kind of stuff. So this quick start guide just step by step tells you how to answer those questions. But it does include some pictures, and it just flies by quickly because it's answering all those questions that you've had about keto. So like I said, I've lost over 70 pounds this year. My wife's lost over 55 pounds, and it just shed right off with the keto diet. So hopefully this Keto Kickstart guide will help you out, give you the answers that you need. We'll have a link below to the free Keto Kickstart guide in the description box. We'll also have a special coupon code for Perfect Keto if you want to try any of their products this year. It definitely has made a difference in my wife's life, and I definitely love a lot of the bars. I'll have a special coupon code down below so that you guys can take advantage of that as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a happy new year. And if you have tried or if you're starting keto, let us know down below how many pounds you've lost and how it's going. We'll talk to you later.